You're not gonna buy shotgun farmers, right, Alex?
No, I'm not.
It's $10.
I still wouldn't.
Why? We all bought it.
Because I don't.
Hey,
Oh god,
Alex.
why do you have that?
Yeah, Nate. That's like one extra quarter.
Get
Fuck
out of
you.
here. Wait, get closer, get closer.
I fucked up one class. Not three
Damn
quarters.
it!
There's a
Why'd you snipe me?
difference.
Hey, can you stand next to that pumpkin? What the fuck? Damn it!
Fuck up.
Alex, come play W with me. I'm
Come on,
missing
come
a
on,
knife.
come on, let's go, let's go.
No,
Come back, come back. Out of here.
I didn't think
Hey, stand next to that pumpkin. Why? Why? Why?
Alright, I feel like we should make a rule that we cannot use RPGs when we play this game.
Stop strafing. Got him.
Fuck you!
Get out of here, train. Come on. Damn it. Come on. Okay. No, don't pick that up.
Do you honestly think you're fucking funny?
This revolver sucks.
Should I? So no explosives? No explosives?
Oh, but
Yep, no
oh,
explosives.
yeah, no explosives blows me up.
Yep, I'm getting rid of it.
Come on. Come on, hit me.
Fuck
outta
you.
here.
How you gonna go with that shotgun?
Shotguns
Can't
are
aim
my
with it.
game, bro. Oh, what? Come back here. Come on, I'm gonna beat you. Come on, come on.
I'm gonna beat you.
Come on, Trey. Hey, stop running.
Oh shit.
Hey, no, don't use that. Don't use that. You cheater.
I'm invisible.
Not for long. Hey! I saw that.
No, where's the crab drop? Where'd the crab drop at?
What the?
I let my
Really?
nuts hang.
He's on the
Should I have a
roof.
sniper?
Yeah, he's on the roof. Oh, Trent, you better run. Die, bro!
Ah!
Eh.
Fuck! Jew.
Trent, your aim is booty cheeks, bro. No, don't use that, you don't use that. Don't use that, you cheater. Hit me like a
shields?
man.
Where'd you get shields? Fuck you! It's not fair, he has shields. Blow him up.
Get out of here.
Bruh.
What? How did I miss? You can't kill me if I kill myself. Damn it!
Fuck this, dude. What? Oh my god!
I was invisible. Wait, who's the one with the chicken head? Is that you?
Fuck! Ah!
Oh,
Why
wow.
did do so much damage?
Give me this.
Drop.
Get out of here. Ah! No, get away from me. Get away. Get away. Get away.
Wow! I'm using explosions like a bitch, dude.
Okay,
Someone-
fine. I'll drop it. I'll
Nah,
drop
fuck
it.
you.
How do
You
I?
would have lost that too.
Oh god. Damn it! My sniper. God, where are you guys hiding?
I'm not even hiding. You're invisible, you little shit.
What? Get closer.
Fucking, why do you jump like that? Why am I I need to change I need to turn down my sensitivity. That's so toxic. Dude, you're both doing it too. God.
I think this is my new favorite game.
Oh my god, that's so unfair! Why? How are you not dead? Bro, the freaking flamethrower is the most overpowered thing in the game, dude. Besides the RPG.
Damn it.
Oh, fuck out of here. Oh my god, I'm getting,
Get over
I'm getting double teamed. I have no chance every time. I never get it. Baggy crab dip.
No! How did I lose?
Ow! Ow! Where are you?
I was right behind you, you moron. You silly goose.
You Nimrod.
Bonk.
Oh, it had one bullet.
No.
It had one bullet.
See if I can snipe someone. Hey, I see you. You're invisible.
God damn
Oh,
it.
get no scoped.
Bro, I fucking hate this game. God damn it.
Oh, who's on the roof? Come closer. Come closer. Oh no! Give me that.
What the?
Wait, Trenton. Oh, get sniped.
Dude, it's not fair. He's just always camping somewhere. He's
Oh,
camping the freaking heels. He's literally
No.
camping the heels. Camping the heels.
Hey, who's invisible?
Gotcha, bitch.
Because he keeps grabbing all the shields, bro.
Come on, no!
Sniper! Sniper!
Oh, what a pussy.
Hey, what are you doing?
Fuck, the shots in AR
He's
sucks.
still in the window. I'm
It
blowing the
does.
brains out. Where's he at? Okay, never mind. Take this.
Grab jab. Ah, the burn of fire.
This guy just jumped in front of a train. This guy is has very.
No, I'm not.
flexible-
Hey, you're invisible. I see you. Damn it.
Does he shit?
Hey,
Dude,
Trenton.
it's so real.
Hey, Trenton. Hey, Trenton.
Shield.
Oh, wow. Invisible much? What? How? That thing's
Oh
OP.
my god, my god, you're sitting around.
I'm not even aiming.
Run away.
What in the hell? I just had to deal with 3 guys.
Wait, you're still alive? How?
The crop drop.
Crap drop.
Come here.
Get away from me.
Come here.
What? Oh god.
You'll get him next time.
Get off me.
The sniper and double barrel is so good.
You didn't want it, I told you.
They're OP, bro.
Okay. I just got,
Trent,
I just
how'd
got
you
bombed.
only get 6 kills?
Flex.